blueprint diagram for this one. So moment of inertia is constant throughout this fan and indicates the RB and RC, and we consider the 1 kilonewton at RA. So RA 1 kilonewton we have to apply the at RA. So it all vertical reactions acting on upward direction, that is 1 kilonewton RB and RC. So each and every point we have to draw the reactions. So summation V is equal to 0, upward direction taken as positive. All vertical forces are acting on upward direction only. So 1 plus RB plus RC is equal to 0. RB plus RC is equal to minus 1. So it making equation 1, and summation MC is equal to 0. Clockwise moments taken as positive, and about MC we have to take it as 0, and right side we have to consider as RB into 5, 1 into 11 kilonewton meter. So 1 into 11, therefore RB is equal to minus 11 by 5, so that is minus 2.2 kilonewtons, therefore minus 2.25 kilonewtons. Substitute RB in RC equation. RB plus RC is equal to minus 1, that is RC is equal to, taking right side, plus 2.2 kilonewtons minus 1 plus 2.2 means 1.2 kilonewtons, that is RC reaction. Here we know about the finally calculated RB and RC reactions. So substitute on RC and RB reaction in our diagram. So here RB is taken as downward direction. Why? Because RB value is minus 2.2 kilonewton, that's why we have to indicate the downward direction of RB, and RC is upward direction. Next we have to draw the bending moment diagram. So M is equal to bending moment diagram for right side span. So MB is equal to, so taking MB moment at right side and left side, so B is the intermediate point, that's what we have to calculate, and right side and left side both are 6 kilonewton meter. It is the final influence line diagram for given span, so that each and every point we have to indicate. Left side is 1 into 6 kilonewton meter, right side is RC into 5, RC value is 1.2 into 5 meters, that is 6 meters. So based on that we have to draw the M over A diagram, that is conjugate beam diagram for the continuous beam. So here total span is 11 meters. We influence line diagram is every 1 meter we have to calculate. So 6 meter span will be divided into 6 intervals, and 5 meter span will be split into 5 intervals. Total 11 intervals is there. Making upon, we have to indicate the ordinates of conjugate beam. Each and every ordinate, 6 meter ordinate is 6 by A, and remaining ordinates we have to indicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that we have to indicate. So finally we will get 1 by I, 2 by I, 3 by I, 4 by I, 5 by I, 6 by I. Like that we have to indicate each and every point on the right side and left side. 6 by I, it is 1.2 by I, 2.4 by I, 2.6 by I, 4.8 by I. Like that we have to indicate, that is moments over it at each and every point. It is the conjugate. In this problem we have to draw the by using conjugate beam method. Like that we have to make the bending moment diagram and conjugate beam for the right side span. So now we have to consider 1 kilonewton at C point. C point. So now we making RA dash and RC dash. Summation V is equal to 0. Again we have to calculate moments. RA dash plus RC dash is equal to 1 by 2 into 11 into 6 by A, that is 33 by A. Summation MB is equal to 0. So moment we have to consider it B point. RC dash into clockwise moment is taken as positive and right side direction, that is RC dash into 5 meters, it is anti-clockwise direction, but we have to take as clockwise direction is positive. Next 1 by 2 into 5 into 6 by 8, that is area of the triangle into its center of gravity. So 6 by 8 into 5 by 3 ei is equal to 0. So RC dash is equal to, finally we calculated, that is 5 by ei, RC dash is equal to 5 by ei. Next RE dash, we have to substitute RC dash in RE dash, we will get 28 by ei. So we substitute in RE dash values and RC dash values. That is taken as 7th point, consider as find moment at A, that is MA dash. So summation MA is equal to 0, clockwise moment taken as positive and RC into 11. So MA is MA dash minus RC dash into 11. So RC dash is nothing but 5 by 8. Next clockwise moment, that is 1 by 2 into 11 into total area 6 by 8. Center gravity of that bending moment diagram, so that is L plus A by 3 from C towards A. So 11 plus 6, total length is 11. So here we have to draw the MA is equal to 0, MA dash into minus RC dash into 11 plus 1 by 2 into, so we will get MA dash is equal by the calculation 132 by EI. So we have to draw the MA value, that is minus 132 by EI. It is hogging moment. We will consider as a hogging moment. Why? Because it is negative in direction. Positive direction we have to consider sagging moment. Next we have to consider 1, 2, 3 ordinates, like that 7 ordinates we have to indicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and C point taken as 10, A point taken as 11. So how to calculate that ordinate means by using general equation m1 is equal to minus 132 by I. Next 2 meters span means substitute here x value is 2 meters, like that we have to consider 28 by EI into 1 plus 28 by 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 by EI. For this one we have to calculate. Next one is 1 by 3. So we will get minus 104.33 by EI. M2, we calculate next point M2 at 2 meter span. So again we have to calculate minus 132, MA dash is minus 132 by EI plus 28 by EI into 2 meters. Why? Because the distance is 2 meters minus 1 by 2 into 1 by EI, that is 2 by EI into 1 by 3 into 2. 2 meters span means 2. So that 77 minus 77.33 by EI. Next we calculate M3. So M3 is nothing but minus 132 by EI. So we have to fill the third ordinate yellow color, minus 132 by EI plus 28 by EI into 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1 into 3 by EI into 1 by 3 into 3. So finally we will get minus 52.5 by EI. Next point we have to calculate M4 minus 132 by a plus 28 by a into 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 into 4 by a 1 by 3 into 4 minus 30.67 by a. M5 ordinated to 5 meters from a minus 132 by a plus 28 by a into 5 minus 1 by 2 into 1 into 5 by a into 1 by 3 into 5, that is equal to minus 12.83 by a. The values will be decreasing. Next point is B, that is 6 meters 0. Why? Because it is an internal support. Internal hinge means there is no moment at B point. So now we have to calculate last support. MC is equal to 0, that is ordinate 9, 5 into 1 by I into minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 1.2 by I is the ordinate. So 4.8 by I, M8 we consider M8. So 5 by EI into 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 2.4 by A into 1 by 3 into 2, 8.4 by EI. Next we calculate M11 point. 5 by I into 3 minus 1 by 2 into 3 into 3.6 by I into 1 by 3 into 3, 9.6 by EI. Finally, so we correct M8, M9, M6, M7, M6, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 4 into 4.8 by EI into 1 by 3 into 4, 7.2 by EI. So from the left side we have to calculate 5 points and right side we have to calculate 6 points. We will draw bend moment diagram for the continuous beam. So influence line diagram for LD ordinates at A is deflected at A in released beam. Maximum moment will be at A in conjugate beam method dA. So MA is equal to MA dash is the minus 132 by A. 132 by EI. So 1 by I, like that we have to calculate deflected curve. At B is the internal support. That's why the deflection will be occurred below the span. So finally we substitute moments of the diagram 0.96, 0.55. Like that we have to substitute 0.064, 0.36. So here finally we concluded that in first step we have to draw the line diagram for continuous beam. Next step reactions. After that reaction at A, reaction at B, reaction at C. These 3 points we have to draw. We have to draw the shear force diagram. Next we have to consider as a moment acting at A point. Finally we draw the bend moment diagram, the influence line diagram for the continuous beam. Thank you.